Recently, something very shocking happened. One morning, thousands of employees woke up and checked their email. Suddenly, they realized their jobs were gone. No warning, no meeting, no conversation. Just one email. Reports suggest Oracle corporations laid off thousands of employees overnight. Some estimates says even 10,000 to 30,000 people globally. Just imagine 20 years of hard work and just one email ends everything. This is not just one company. It's happening across the entire IT industry. Now the real question is the IT dream breaking?
What?
If you are a parent or a student or working on IT industry, then you cannot ignore this reality anymore because this is about the future of millions of careers in India. Let's understand this simply. Around 25 years ago, India's IT industry was small. Then came the Y2K crisis. So global company needed massive coding work. Here, India stepped in with low cost and skilled engineers. Then boom, job increased, salary increased, foreign opportunities opened, and for the middle class family, one belief became strong. Engineer ban jao, life set hai. Now reality has changed. And behind that, there are four major reasons. Number one, AI is replacing basic work. Most Indian IT jobs were basic coding, testing, and support. And AI can do that faster and cheaper. So, where is basic coding or basic work? There is no demand. Number two, global slowdown and politics. India's major clients are US and Europe. And now they want cost cutting and local hiring. So, less projects are coming to India. Number three, IT companies' mistakes. For years, IT companies only focused on cheap service and no innovation. They didn't train their employees in high level skills. As a result, experienced employees but outdated skills. Number four, education system and hard mentality. Colleges are teaching outdated syllabus. Students are forced into engineering. No real interest, no deep skills. As a result, 80% of engineers they don't love coding. This is not just about the IT industry. It affects our Indian economy, Indian GDP, exports, stock market, real estate, even the daily consumptions. Because IT professionals were biggest spenders. If job reduces, then entire economy slows down. Jobs are not ending. Every skills are ending. New jobs are coming in, just like AI tools, data science, cybersecurity, tech-driven industries, but only for skilled people. Now the most important part, that is solution. What is the solution of this crisis? Number one, focus on your skills, not just degrees. Your college degree doesn't matter anymore, but your skill matters. Number two, learn future skills. Start with AI tools, data science, selling skills, problem solving skills, communication skills. Remember, be valuable, not just qualified. Number three, make AI your friend. Don't fear AI. Just use it to become better, faster, and smarter. Number four, follow your interest. Don't become an engineer by force. Remember, when your passion aligned with your skills, then long-term success is coming. Number five is keep continuous learning mindset. This is the new era and this is the new role. You have to know how to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Your future is not decided by AI. Your future is not decided by any IT company. It is decided by only you. So if you upgrade yourself or your skill, then you will grow faster than ever. And if you become average, then you will definitely struggle. So choose wisely. If this video gave you the clarity, then like, share, and subscribe and send it to every student and parent. Because one right decision today can change an entire life. Remember, peace of mind and plenty of money come when you choose the right career with the right skills.